water signs, what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today, water signs, you will be doing your reading for August 16, 2025. Let's just take a look kung ano ba mga dapat makasahan for today, especially when it comes to your love life. Let's take a look kung ano ba mga aring mga maging ganap for today, August 16, 2025. Please take note lang din, water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, that this reading is just a general reading. Maaari siyang mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Only take what resonates, leave the rest, or leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future, okay? Okay, so 2 more shuffles. One. Okay, 2. Three. Okay, let's see. Ano mga dapat asahan ngayon ni water sign? Water signs, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio for today. Got here the Page of Swords. Maybe you're not speaking with someone. Maaring you're in a no contact situation. You're just talking each other. No communication. I'm seeing possible grudges or parang sama ng loob. Maaring nagkaroon ng hidwaan causing for you not to talk. Maaring may stalking na nagaganap. 5 of Pentacles, so there could be some stagnation or poverty in the situation. Maaaring nagkaroon kayo ng sitwasyon na hindi pagkakaunawaan, tapos nag-decide kayo to leave na lang yung relationship. Something like that. Or talagang nag-feel yung relationship kasi maaaring masyadong maraming away or conflict. At your Wheel of Fortune, magbabago naman yan, no? Especially for today. I'm seeing the gradual increase of number as well. So, I think something will end and makukuha mo yung wish mo with regards to the situation. Sino itong kakonect ni water signs? Kakonect ni water signs. You have here the World card. So, you can see this person as your world. You can see this person as someone na marami ka nang natupad na pangarap. You can see this person as someone na gusto mo pang tuparin ang mga pangarap mo with them. Okay. Sino itong kakonect ni water sign? I have here the 3 of Cups and the Star card. So, masaya ka lang kasama tong person na to. You're viewing this person as your wish fulfillment or as your wish. Okay? And whenever you're with them, you feel like you're in bliss. Okay? What else? How does this person feel towards water signs? I got here the Knight of Pentacles. So, I'm really seeing distance, okay? Distance and maaring talagang nagkaroon ng conflict between you and them. Maybe a heated argument, but I'm seeing them at a distance but still wanting a connection with you. What's in this person's headspace naman? Sa utak naman nila, we have here the Magician card. So, they want to manifest something. What do they want to manifest? An apology. Okay. So, they want to make peace with you. They want to offer you a new romantic gesture or an apology or a new beginning in love. Okay. Ano ang maasahan ni water signs dito by today, August 16? Strength card. So, you can expect with them na i-release na yung tension or wag na magtago or wag na mag-hold back is what I get. Okay? Wag na mag-hold back, wag na magtago. I-release na yung mga dapat sabihin and gawin. You have here the High Priestess and the 2 of Cups. So, maaring meron kang iniisip about a certain situation na may secrets regarding your person being in a relationship with someone else or being in a connection with someone else. Okay, Nine of Cups. I think makukuha mo naman yung sagot na hinahanap mo dito or makukuha mo yung satisfaction na hinahanap mo sa isang situation, whether that's justice for you or the answers to your questions, mga ganun. Now, let's take a look. Let's see. Ano pa ba? Is there anything else you want to say to water signs for today? You have here the moon. So, maaaring may mga secrets. Okay. Secrets na nangyari in the past. Secrets will be revealed. Okay. Maaaring may mga bagay daw na nakapagpasama ng loob mo, nakapagpaiyak sa'yo with regards to a third-party relationship. But, I'm seeing you getting your wishes talaga about that situation. Sa'yo pa rin mapupunta yung person mo. Eh, nakikita ko na sa'yo pa rin yung gustong mag-commit. Okay? Sa'yo pa rin siya mag-commit by the end of the day. And, yeah, things will fall apart between them and the third party. Okay? So, let's go ahead and check now kung ano ang situation for the day. Just some oracle cards just to second emotion. Water signs. Rather dating, meeting someone new. Maybe naiisip mo na makipag-date with someone new. Is that true, water signs? Water signs for August 16. You have your relationship connecting. You want to connect with someone. You want to connect. Definitely you want a loving relationship. Okay? What else? This could be you just want to date with someone and honesty. There's something about honesty and the truth that you want out of a connection or mahalaga sa'yo ang katotohanan. Mahalaga sa'yo ang ang totoo, hindi lies, hindi deception, just pure truth. Okay, and what else? Messages ng person ni Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio sa kanila, naka-reverse. Can you hear me pala whisper your name? So, I think there's really no contact between you and them. I think your person wants to reach out to you pero natatakot sila. And so, kaya hanggang gano'n na lang sila, no? Can you hear me whisper your name? In the reverse, kasi parang gusto ko nilang kontakan but they cannot or they don't have the power to do it. This one. I miss you but I don't have time right now. They miss you but they don't have time. And don't pressure me. So, talagang maaring meron kayong talaga, no, hidwaan ng person mo. And I think ito yung pinag-awayan niyo before, hindi ito yung ngayon eh. Kung nag-away man kayo, basta ito yung sa pag-aaway niyo, wag niyo daw silang ipitin, mga ganon. So, I think your person still has affection for you, but andun yung stubbornness pa rin na nakikita ko, no? If ever someone here is still stubborn. Alright, so yun lang naman. What I have for you, water signs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you so much, water signs. Have a good one. Bye!